Hello everyone, this is Emilio. In this video, we're going to demonstrate a governed real-time voice AI assistant designed for clinical medication safety and pharmacist intervention workflows. This system uses LiveKit for real-time communication, a Python AgentServer for clinical reasoning and orchestration, and a structured audit trail for compliance review. The goal of this demo is to show how AI can support clinical decision-making while preserving governance, transparency, as well as human oversight. So let's begin. So we'll go ahead and start with our session.
Hello, your session is now active. Please let me know how I can assist.
Can we please pull up Sarah Martinez's clinical snapshot?
To confirm patient identity, what is Sarah Martinez's date of birth? This ensures we access the correct patient information.
That's July 22nd, 1972.
I have found the information for Sarah Martinez, DOB 07/22/1972. She has 2 current medications and an allergy to latex. What specific information or assessment would you like to perform for her?
So since Sarah has a latex allergy, can we do an intervention considering that the floor only has latex gloves?
I have created a draft intervention note to address Sarah Martinez's latex allergy and the presence of latex gloves in her care environment. Would you like me to route this intervention to the pharmacy team for further action?
Yes, I would. Please route.
The intervention regarding Sarah Martinez's latex allergy has been successfully routed to the pharmacy team. They will be notified and can take appropriate actions to ensure her safety. If there's anything else you need, feel free to ask.
Sure. Can you show me an audit trail of our recent activities?
The audit trail for the recent intervention includes 2 logged events. If you'd like details on specific events or further information, please let me know.
Okay, that should be it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions in the future or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great day.
And there we go. There's our demo. Now, this level of traceability is critical, from looking up a patient to confirming that patient through date of birth, through doing a intervention, as well as routing that intervention, and then lastly doing an audit trail. This level of traceability is critical in regulated healthcare environments. It supports compliance, review process, and AI governance. Now let's briefly take a look at the LiveKit dashboard. On the dashboard, inside of a session, you'll see that both the browser user as well as a Python clinical agent joined the LiveKit room as a real-time participant. The voice audio, the transcription, the structured UI events are streamed over WebRTC with low latency. So you can see all of this within LiveKit. Now let's take a quick look at the architecture for the solution. So from here we can see that Next.js mints a secure LiveKit token and a room. The browser and the agent server join that room using WebRTC. The agent server then also handles speech-to-text, reasoning, and structured clinical tools and speech-to-text responses. The clinical tools include things like retrieving patient profiles, assessing drug interactions, drafting SBAR interventions, routing to the pharmacy, and writing audit events to Superbase. And Superbase serves as a clinical data and audit store, including patients, medications, interventions, and audit trail records. This pattern also enables real-time voice-enabled clinical support while preserving auditability, compliance, and human-in-the-loop decision authority. In a production setting, this architecture could integrate with EHR platforms such as Epic or Cerner through HL7 or FHIR interfaces. The key takeaway here is that in a real-time AI environment, you can enhance clinical workflows without replacing clinical judgment. So if you're interested in enterprise-grade AI architecture for healthcare or regulated environments, I've included the details for this implementation in the description below. And please follow, share, like, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you all very much.